Welcome, Libra. Sunday, June 14th, 2026 arrives as a day of genuine, unhurried harmony. Venus, your ruling planet, is working in perfect alignment with Sunday's peaceful energy today, creating a day that feels balanced, beautiful, and completely free from the social obligations and diplomatic pressures that filled your week. Today, the scales are still, not because everything is resolved, but because today you are not trying to resolve anything. And in that stillness, Libra, you find the particular peace that your sign spent its whole life searching for. In your career, today a genuine and complete rest from professional engagement. Your diplomatic energy has been working overtime all week, and it deserves a full Sunday of recovery. If a work thought arrives, let it pass like a cloud. It will still be there on Monday. What will not be available on Monday is this exact Sunday. Give it fully to your personal restoration. Financially, today Venus brings a gentle and reassuring financial energy, a sense that things are moving in the right direction, even when the progress is not dramatic. Use this Sunday calm to review one financial goal you set earlier this month. How far have you come? What small action today could move it forward? Venus rewards consistent, intentional, beautiful effort, and today the effort feels easy. In love, Libra, Sunday is made for the kind of love that does not perform or prove anything. Just two people, genuine presence, and the quiet luxury of having nowhere else to be. If you are in a relationship, spend the day in the unhurried, unscheduled way that real intimacy grows. Cook together, walk somewhere beautiful, have a conversation with no destination. Libra love at its deepest is not dramatic. It is this, quiet, beautiful, fully present. If you're single, today is the perfect day for honest reflection about whether you are truly ready to receive the love you say you want. Health for Libra today centers on beauty and sensory restoration. Your nervous system, after a week of social engagement and diplomatic effort, needs pure aesthetic pleasure to restore itself. Spend time in a beautiful environment today. A park, a cafe you love, a room you have made lovely. Wear something that makes you feel beautiful. Put on music that moves you. These are not indulgences for Libra. They are medicine. Spiritual message for Libra on June 14th. True balance does not come from managing everything perfectly. It comes from accepting that some things will always be in flux and trusting that the center holds anyway. Today, release the need to balance everything. Just be here, in this moment, in this day, unbalanced, imperfect, gloriously human, and completely enough. That is not failure. Libra, that is peace. Subscribe to Astro Healing for your daily reading. Have a harmonious and deeply beautiful Sunday, Libra. The week ahead is ready for your grace.